How much does it cost to start affiliate marketing as a business? Did you know that to start a brick and mortar business or even buying a franchise costs around $250,000 to $1 million? You can also start a pretty modest business with $50,000 of course, and that depends on your vision. But why do you think many people are shifting to the online world? And how are these people making money like these? Hey everyone, this is Joyce here, and in this video I will be showing you how much does it cost to start affiliate marketing, as well as the time it will take you to fully set up your business, and of course how to grow this business fast. But first thing first, if you're new to my channel, my name is Joyce Meettoo, and I was a frustrated mechanical engineer who was fed up of working for somebody else's dreams. Eventually I resigned, and I am now a full-time online entrepreneur doing affiliate marketing and doing videos to help you make money online. I have created training videos on this channel that you can always binge watch. So make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't. This will massively help me and my channel grow more. So back to the topic of how much it costs to start an affiliate marketing business. Normally you can start doing affiliate marketing with $0. How? Simple. You sign up on affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, ClickBank or JVZoo and get your affiliate links there, and you can use social media such as Facebook, TikTok or Instagram, or use YouTube to make contents about the products you want to promote as an affiliate and refer people to your affiliate links so that when they purchase you receive affiliate commissions. Easy and simple. But this video is about doing affiliate marketing as a business and not as a side hustle. So if you want to start your affiliate marketing business the right way, then the things I'll be listing are what you will require. These things are what I call assets. And yes, they will cost you money and of course time to master how to use them. But compared to starting a brick and mortar business or buying a franchise, you will find out how much it costs in a few minutes. You might also choose to do affiliate marketing as a side hustle of course and invest back the money to grow your business. And for that, you should have an idea in what assets you need to invest and how much they cost. The most important asset starting your affiliate marketing business is a domain name. Reasons? Well, there are three main ones. Number one, it makes you look professional and it's good for brand building. Number two, you will require one to be accepted in affiliate networks such as Walmart, Amazon, and other similar ones. Number three, you are able to use it in tools such as funnel builders and autoresponders. And I will cover these two in a few minutes, but just know that research has shown that a large majority of people do business with someone who has a brand and is serious about their business. So having a domain name is important. I have also done a video showing where you can buy cheap domain names and the mistakes you need to avoid when it comes to buying your domain name. So check it out here it is, check it out here. And normally for a good domain name it will cost you around $10 a year. The second asset you will need is web hosting. You will need it to store your web files and make your website available on the internet, and they are important for you to get accepted on networks like Walmart and Amazon so that you can actually promote and resell the products and earn affiliate commissions from them. Now, depending on what are your requirements, hosting usually costs around $71.40 per year, and that's the minimum unless you want security and extra package. It can cost more. I currently have hosting on Bluehost, and here's a screenshot of what I paid. Normally for the first year you get a free domain name, and for the next year you have to pay for it. Actually, I did a video on how to proceed on getting a website with Bluehost. You can check it out here. So taking everything into consideration and everything into account, I would say it will cost you $137.87 per year. Next, our third asset on the list is a funnel builder. I have seen people also call it a website builder or a page builder, but according to me, funnel builder is the more appropriate. Okay, what I usually recommend people to use is ClickFunnels. It's the best one out there, and it will really decrease your learning curve and like prevent you from any hassles that will arise in your online business. I have tried many in the past, but nothing is compared to ClickFunnels. So why do you need it? Well, as an affiliate building an affiliate marketing business, you can't simply send people directly to your affiliate link without collecting their information. By information, I mean a name or an email address. Next, you need to bridge the gap between you and the product. because no matter what strategy you're using, whether paid or organic strategies, to people online, you are an unknown person. They don't know you. They don't even know if they should listen to you. So you will need a bridge page for that. These two pages right there are what distinguishes between average affiliates to good affiliates. And coming to the price of using ClickFunnels, it's $97 per month. However, ClickFunnels even offers you a year package of $970 instead of the actual price of $1,164. But I'll assume people to pay for it monthly, and thus the yearly price will be counted as $1,164. On top of that, you're given a 14-day free trial to get the hang of it. Our fourth asset is an email autoresponder or email automation software. And what I recommend is ActiveCampaign or GetResponse. What differentiates between good affiliates to legendary affiliates now is the relationship you will build with the people who will give you their email addresses on this page. This asset helps you build a list, and research has shown that not everyone buys on the first approach. Some require a little more convincing. So you collect their email addresses here and you build a list so that you can build a relationship with them by sending them emails, convincing them to buy what you are recommending. And even after they buy, if you are able to build an ecosystem of affiliate products through your emails, you will continue to make sales. The cost of this asset depends on the number of email addresses you have collected. Since I use the most advanced and robust email automation software, which is ActiveCampaign, for the first 500 subscribers on my list, I paid $15 per month. And in less than 2 months, I was able to actually generate more than 500 subscribers, and I pay $29 per month. So I will take that into account. And on a quick note here, you can also use ClickFunnels to send emails, and it will cost you $297 per month instead of $97 per month. But I want to keep this at a reasonable price, and that's why considering $29 per month is reasonable. So if we consider it at a yearly price, I would say $348. Now, this software will be used to send emails. You will also require a place to receive emails being sent to you. So for that, we are going to use Google Workspace. This asset will cost you $6 per month. So it's $72 per year. Now, these are the basic assets you will require to run affiliate marketing as a business. Now, let's dig in a little deeper. Normally, when you're doing affiliate marketing, you will require training, guidance, and of course, support. You will require a community of like-minded people whom you can reach out to and seek help from and have your queries answered. And you usually pay for that as a yearly fee, okay? I was actually part of a community and a mastermind where I got weekly training and guidance, and in total, I paid a yearly fee of $5,000 for them. So I'll count it as $5,000. Next assets, I would say, are ads. You will require to have a budget for ads if you want some quick sales and make some fast cash back. These ads will work better if you already have these 2 pages and email follow-ups set up. So based on my experience, if you want to really see good results, $1,000 per month on ads will definitely help you out. And this makes $12,000 per year. Of course, you will be getting a return on investment from the $1,000 you invest per month. However, this is optional, as you can definitely make use of organic strategies such as using Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, or even YouTube videos. But organic strategies will require you time for you to see results, while ads will help you reach your goals faster. Nevertheless, you will still require time to learn how to run your ads profitably. In my case, I use organic strategies, and this is working fine for me. Other optional investment will be additional tools such as an affiliate link tracker to track from where you are getting sales online, search engine optimization tools to help you rank your contents on the #1 page of search engines like Google or YouTube. Then there are resources such as books or events you want to attend to keep enriching and grow your knowledge in what you're doing, and these are super optional. An example for an event is Funnel Hacking Live that happens every year, and the ticket is around $1,000, and that's excluding any traveling fees from your part. So based on everything I told you, I prepared a little table for you, and I summed all your investment if you want to start an affiliate marketing business. You will start with 2 fixed yearly payments of $147.87. And per month, your investment will be $132. So in your first month, you will invest $280 and you will invest $132 every month. And if we calculate the yearly investment, it will be $1,732. And if you consider the required training and support, it will be at least $6,732. Compared to the investment in other businesses, affiliate marketing is way cheaper. Now that we have talked about the investment, let's talk about the time you need to learn. You need to know that the path of entrepreneurship is a never-ending one, and one will always learn new things. It can be about a new tool, a new strategy, or anything related to helping you grow. But when it comes to the basic marketing skills, that is lead generation, copywriting, and content creation, or even proper usage of tools for your business, I would say that with the proper guidance, with the proper training, you will normally require at least 3 months or to fully grasp the basic understanding of these skills, given that you work on them for at least 1 hour a day. Now, I hope you didn't get cold feet with the numbers I showed, but if you're still interested in starting an affiliate marketing business, then let me tell you that there is an alternating way. Instead of investing a huge amount of money, or instead of investing a huge amount of time in your education, the solution is with investing in a training that not only gives you done-for-you pages like these, but also shows you how to set up your email follow-ups and allows you to earn while you are undergoing your learning process. There are 2 main education programs that do that. One is Legendary Marketers 15-Day Challenge, and the other one is Freedom Breakthrough's 2.0 3-Day Challenge. These 2 challenges forge your marketing skills and help you grow your business. So who are these challenges for? The 15 days challenge are for complete beginners. It gives you all you need to start your online business, as well as help you get the cutting edge marketing strategies to grow your business online, as well as your affiliate marketing business. I have done a very important video describing the 15-day challenge in detail here, and if you want to know more about it, do watch this video. And for the 3-day challenge, this challenge is for people who are starting their affiliate journey, mostly interested in YouTube and doing videos. So whether you are starting affiliate marketing from scratch, or you have already started one, but barely getting any results, this 3-day challenge will massively help you out. And what I love about this training is that it's new, and it has been impacting many people's lives already and helping them get results like these. I have also done an important video about the course that follows up after the 3-day challenge, which is called the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. And this is crucial training for those people wanting to level up their affiliate marketing business. And you can actually catch this video here. And also, before I forget, the 15-day challenge is not really available worldwide, but the 3-day challenge is. I'll be leaving the links for the challenges below. So do tell me in the comments what is your choice, because both of these courses have provided me with massive knowledge as well as great results. And it's not just me, but they have helped thousands of people too. And before I end this video, make sure to watch the last 2 videos I actually recommended so you can actually make a good decision. And as always, do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will keep making videos to provide you with awesome value to grow your online business as well as make you money online. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.